restart it. My Wii U's turned all the way down. Hopefully it doesn't pick up the TV volume, so you know what.
It's clearly gonna pick me.
Oh, good. Always loads the suspend point. Technology. It's most definitely gonna pick up the TV volume. So.
Most definitely gonna pick up me eating.
Yeah, most definitely. But you know what? If we give it a few seconds of silence, holy crap! What happened here? What's going on?
Misty peeing.
Oh. That's some things. I'm gonna eliminate you. I'm gonna end it. Oh, Wilfredo fits perfectly. It was destiny. It was meant to be. The Adventures of Wilfredo with Zero. How long has this been going? 1 minute and 30 seconds. Carrie just makes my work harder. Normally I can just record, you know, line up some things and then
You're the one who told me to come out here.
do a thing and then be good to go. Carrie burps. And now I have to edit it out.
Come on, that was a good one.
It's mediocre. 5 out of 10. Would not pay. I would not pay your burp, just so you know. I asked Carrie to be on this episode because she's never beaten a Zelda game. Am I right?
You're not wrong.
But I'm right. Carrie.
You're not wrong.
Carrie.
Nate.
Let's talk about this. Hold on, let's talk about this. So this year, I thought you were going to throw something at me, so you didn't see it, but Carrie, in my peripheral vision, Carrie moved her arm up to eat a chip, and I thought she was going to throw something at me, so I raised my arm up defensively so that I didn't get anything thrown at me.
There was nothing going to be thrown at you.
So, again, so this year, Carrie, as you know, and as all of you who read my Facebook know, I made a New Year's resolution. Look at how fast I got that first dungeon. I'm so good.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Oh, my New Year's resolution. There's a reason I keep Carrie on these videos, is because she keeps me on track. Normally I just kind of ramble.
Okay, come on.
My New Year's resolution, Carrie, and everybody else, is that I can only buy 3 games this year.
That was the only reason I wanted you to keep on track, so I could laugh at you.
A forced laugh, though.
It's not.
It's ungenuine.
Okay.
It is gonna happen, though.
Oh,
I'm
really?
only going to buy 3 games. And I've already resisted Mega Man X2, so, you know.
For now.
Until, like, December 30th. Or it goes on sale. If it goes on sale, it's done putting it in a bag. But, so I thought, you know, I was talking to my cousin. Shout out to him. He's fantastic. I'm married, though, so don't lay off him, guys. Jeez. Stop asking. I told him that I was gonna... Oh, I can't even get to the door! I told him that I was gonna replay Ocarina of Time, which is my favorite Zelda game, and one Carrie's never beaten, which just shocks me. I mean, it doesn't shock me, but it shocks me at the same time.
I'm a busy person.
Yeah, Carrie apparently, I guess, isn't... God, I suck at this game twice. Carrie doesn't play video games like I play video games, which is like every day. So. Oh, if I die in this room, Carrie...
I just happen to be talented at more things than you.
Like
so I have to spread...
Oh, there's a bat!
I have to spread my talent around, unlike you. You're just talented at the one thing.
I died. I'm not even talented at the one thing, because I just died.
Okay.
So, what was I saying?
I don't remember.
Oh, yeah, my cousin. And he said, and I said, I want to replay all of the Zelda games, like, this year. And he said, that'd be sick. Record it. So, if you like it, thank me. If you don't like it, his name is Colton. You can find him on my Facebook friend feed, and you just yell at him. And you say, "Why would you do this to us?"
He's probably gonna be one of 3 people who are gonna watch this, so.
I don't think he'll watch it. Colton, if you're watching, hi. I miss you. How's the kid? Good. Good talk. So yeah, and then I thought, man, that's such a splendid idea. So I decided, I'm gonna record all the things. And I'm gonna play and have fun, except when I die, which is often.
It's because you suck.
Yeah. This game is tough though, Carrie. Alright.
Eh.
I own this game 3 times. I have it on the GameCube Collector's Edition thingy, which I beat before Skyward Sword came out. And that's the only time I've ever beaten this game. I own it on my 3DS because I was looking for a better way to play it than on the GameCube. Because if you'll notice, after I kill this freaking blob, that the GameCube the GameCube D-pad is just like really hard to use. I'm not gonna edit that out, by the way. I'm gonna leave all these burps in so they understand. And then maybe I'll get the sympathy vote.
No.
But you got the GameCube's D-pad, which is weird. It's like super small. And then you have the GameCube analog stick, which when you play on an analog stick on this game, it's just like, oh, I want to go through that door, and I can't. So I bought it 3DS. Well, on GameCube. And then I bought it on the Wii U one day because it was a couple dollars along with Zelda 2. And so I bought both. And I did. And so, it was fun. I hear a double echo thing. So I'm recording from my Wii U. Oh my goodness. That clock stops the enemies, and it's the only time it's ever appeared in a Zelda game. Carrie, talk about your familiarity with the series. Or burp again, that's cool, yeah. Viewers like that. Hi, Mom. My mom doesn't watch this. I don't even think my mom knows. Well, yeah, my mom knows about YouTube. She watches like scrapbooking videos and stuff while she watches Downton Abbey. So, Carrie, talk about your experience. Did I already go in there?
I'm really busy.
We're just gonna have dead silence until Carrie starts talking. Carrie's being an antagonist today. Because
I'm an antagonist every day.
she burps. That's gonna be the title of this episode, is She-Burps. The Legend of Wilfredo She-Burps. But it's gonna be like she-burps. That joke was only funny for me. I don't
Silence,
know why.
yeah.
Well, that's because the viewers at home are on the thing. Do you guys view this at home, or do you go to a public library? Oh, cool. Half of you go to a public library. There it is again. Great.
I can't help it.
Yeah, you can
I'm
by
drinking
not
Pepsi.
drinking the soda.
I can't not drink it. I'm having a spicy.
Just gonna put.
I'm having a spicy sandwich.
I'm just gonna put sensors, some beeps, and they're gonna be like, "What the fuck is this?" Carrie, tell me about your familiarity with the series.
What were we talking about?
Your familiarity with the Zelda series.
What were we talking about?
This is my favorite series of all time.
I don't have a favorite series.
I
Although,
know.
that guy just hit you, so maybe this is mine.
Thanks. I gotta move. Can you? Is that down? No, it's not. That's why I'm hearing an echo. I hope the microphone picks it up. Oh god, this room is so scary. Look at those. They're like. They're like.
The people at home cannot see your hand motions, okay?
They're like squeezing, you know.
Dragon.
That's a unicorn. Oh, die. Oh no!
Yeah, you are.
No! Oh, here comes Anna.
Special guest.
Special guest. I haven't posted the Fatal Frame videos yet, but spoiler alert: some Fatal Frame videos, and toward the later end of the Fatal Frame videos, I get some special guests, and I yell special guest. That's the joke. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Nick.
Hi, viewers at home.
Yep, perfect. Now say hi, viewers at the public library.
Anna, can you tell us your experience with the Zelda games?
Yeah. What's your experience with the Zelda games? Come over here. Come over here so that they can hear you. Here, you gotta come around me. Come on.
No, you don't want to tell people about your experience with the Zelda games?
Do you like this game? You don't like this game? Tell me why you don't like this game. It has bats.
I'm scared of bats.
Oh, okay. Are you scared of Batman?
No.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Carrie just gave her chocolate and Anna went, "Mm." Bye, Anna. Thank you. I think she just said mew. I'm going the wrong way. What were we talking about before Anna came out? God, Anna, way to throw off the whole episode with your cuteness. You're welcome. She said thank you. Oh, man. Trust me.
Has it been 10 minutes yet?
Oh, Carrie, these episodes go longer.
No.
Yeah. Why, you don't want to guest star anymore? I wonder if I can get my mom. Hey, Mom. Do you want to be on an episode? Text me after you watch this.
Why don't you just like text her?
No,
Brandon,
I'm
you
gonna
should
make
have
her.
Brandon yet. Brandon.
Oh
you should
my
be on one of
god,
these
Brandon would be
videos.
hilarious. That kid is looking so fit. He's getting swole.
He's funnier than you are.
Wow, you just live with him.
He has a house.
I have a house too.
Do you?
Yeah, it's called my 2010 Chevy Cobalt. You know, one, your feet stink. Two, I don't know. Get your feet out of here, man. Put on some gloves or something.
Feet gloves.
Yeah, socks. Damn it, there's rocks.
From work, man.
I don't know.
I work too hard.
I don't know where the second dungeon is.
Good.
No, not good. Oh, but I think you go up. Oh. It's a bad area. I don't like this area anymore.
I don't think I would kill you.
Master using it, and you can have it. Have this. Well, I guess I haven't mastered it yet. Ah! Why don't we talk about this? Number one, this game's good. Number two, this game is hard. Number three.
Those look like snails.
Yeah, I know, right? I think this is Dungeon 2.
Those things come
Am I
alive
right?
later on.
Nope, nope, Dungeon 5.
Yeah, go through. Let's do it.
Should we do it? Alright,
Just,
let's
like,
do
go
it.
through one of
Let's
those
do it.
rooms. Let's
Let's
see
do
what
it.
happens. I'm just
But,
curious.
next time. That I know. There it is. Cube. D-pad.